welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome text effect on CapCut PC. Go to your text and add in your default text and type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in the number 13. Go to the font, and I chose this Gotham Black one because it suits it the best. And then what you are going to do next is you're going to right click copy, right click paste. Select the text underneath and select this style. It's going to look weird, but trust me, you have to adjust the thickness to about like 4%, totally up to you. Then you're going to kind of move it like down a little bit, and then you're going to copy and paste it again, and you're going to put it behind the first outline, and you're going to move it backwards. On this line, you're going to put down the opacity to around 50%. Copy and paste it one more time and put it behind. Move it down again, like so, and put the opacity down to about 20%, like so. Once you're done, select everything, right click, create compound clip. Add in a video or a picture, totally up to you. It's going to look weird at first, but you're just going to select the text, go to blend mode, and select screen or brighten. Let's just choose screen for this. And it creates this really cool text effect. You can use other colors than white. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!